Hello, this is Dr. Steve Hotze, and we're in the spring of the year. If you look out at your car, it's covered with yellow pollen. That causes allergies. An allergy is an abnormal reaction by your body's immune system to normal occurring substances in the environment. Things you breathe in the air like weed pollens, tree pollens, grass pollens, dust mites, mold spore, animal danders. Foods can cause problems as well. And it's an abnormal reaction by your immune system if you have a predisposition towards allergy, which cause mast cells that line the mucous membranes in your nasopharynx and in your lungs to rupture and spill histamine. You've heard that term before. You've heard the term antihistamine. That's to block the histamine that the allergy reaction causes, which leads to the drainage and leads to the swelling, to the headaches, to the cough, to the congestion. It can lead to rashes, a host of health problems, and you want to stop that. Most people just use a drug to mask the symptoms, use an antihistamine. But meanwhile, the allergies are wearing down your immune system. And what you need to do is be tested for allergies, both food and airborne allergies, and take treatment. And we use sublingual drops under the tongue to help you build up blocking antibodies to your allergies, because allergies can cause a host of health problems, not only by the symptoms that allergies cause, but also when you take antibiotics that destroys a normal gut flora and you get yeast overgrowth. So I want to recommend that if you have allergy problems, give us a call here at Hotze Health and Wellness Center. We'll be glad to help you get over them.